Did you know that slip and fall accidents cost businesses billions of dollars each year? Even worse, they can lead to serious injuries that could keep you or others off work for weeks. But here's the good news. Most of these accidents are completely preventable if we follow the right wet floor safety procedures. I'm going to show you exactly how to handle wet floors like a pro. First things first, let's talk about warning signs. The moment you notice a wet floor or are about to start mopping, grab those yellow caution signs. Don't wait. Get them out immediately. Place them at both ends of the wet area and make sure they're visible from all angles. Remember, those signs are your first line of defense against accidents. Now, let's talk about the right way to clean. Always work in small, manageable sections. Think of it like eating a slice of pizza. You wouldn't try to stuff the whole thing in your mouth at once, right? Same goes for mopping. Start from the far corner and work your way backward toward the exit. This way, you're not walking over the area you just cleaned, which could leave footprints, or worse, cause you to slip. Here's a pro tip that many people overlook. Choose the right time for mopping. In schools, timing is everything. Try to clean during low traffic periods, like during class times, rather than between periods when hallways are packed with students. If you absolutely must clean during busy times, block off one side of the hallway at a time to maintain a dry path for people to walk. Another crucial point is your cleaning solution. More is not better. Using too much cleaning solution doesn't just waste product, it increases drying time and can leave a slippery residue. Follow the mixing instructions on your cleaning products and always make sure you're using the right product for the floor type. Next, let's talk about drying because you don't want to rush this part. Use your dry mop or floor fan when needed, especially in high traffic areas. A floor that looks dry might still be slightly damp, so give it extra time to dry completely. Better safe than sorry. And here's something a lot of people forget. Your shoes matter. Make sure you're wearing slip-resistant footwear, even if you're the one doing the cleaning. Just because you know the floor is wet doesn't make you immune to slipping. Remember, keeping floors dry and safe isn't just about following rules. It's about looking out for each other. Whether you're a custodian, maintenance worker, or facility manager, you play a crucial role in preventing accidents and keeping everyone safe.
Are you fed up with sifting through binders trying to find the right toolbox talk? Safe Leo can put an end to that headache once and for all. You'll never ever have to comb through binders again. Now you can easily upload your own or choose from our comprehensive library of preloaded text-based and video-based toolbox talks. No more last-minute scrambling to pull something together. Even better, you can bulk schedule those talks across all your projects, ensuring they happen consistently without someone having to remember. When it's time for the safety meeting, just pull up the day's talk on your phone or tablet and deliver it to your crew. Taking attendance is a breeze too. Workers can digitally sign in right on the device, or you can snap a photo of the physical sign-in sheet. Either way, SafeLeo keeps everything documented and stored in one organized system. Safety should be the top priority on any job site. Now you can streamline your toolbox talk so you can focus on the information, not scrambling to find it. Click the link below to request a quick demo.